So your grandmother is suffering from arthritis and has pain walking, but is able to walk, but it hurts to walk. Is it an act of love to give her a motorized wheelchair for her home so that she doesn't have to feel that pain anymore and as she walks around her house? Would that be an act of love?
I think so.
Okay, it would.
Yeah.
Yeah, really. And what's the basis of your answer? Well, we want to relieve suffering. We don't want her to hurt. Are you thinking functionally? The law of exertion. If you want something to get stronger, you must exercise it, because if you don't use it, you
Lose it.
So if you put grandmother in a wheelchair and she stops walking, does she get stronger or weaker?
Weaker.
Weaker.
She gets more infantilized and less capable.
Yeah.
So does she get healthier?
No.
Or does she lose her health more rapidly? Is it an act of love then to relieve her pain if the act of relieving her pain causes her to die faster?